Hello creative, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, our channel is where I break down graphic design tutorial into a simple and more understandable way. So if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. So today we will be redesigning this flyer I made in Photoshop, and that's what I do. Let's get into it. Click on file, click on new, and the size as used was 2600 pixel by 3120 pixel. Click on create. So I will just click on this and click on solid color. But this is actually not the real color. I just want to use that as an handboard. I was supposed to do it in the starting when I was creating this canvas work. So I don't know, just see on graphics. Let me just bring in this is the design. Use it as a sample. And now if you have not subscribed, like I said before, please do well. So God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. So click on this solid color you create, and the link of the resources I used will be in the description, so you can create with me as I'm creating. Click on this. This is the color code 060500. Click on OK. Enter your keyboard. Then I'll bring in my logo. I already have a logo. I don't want the video to be that lengthy, so I have the logo already. I will scale the size down. Scale the size down. Ctrl T and scale the sun. Scale it down. Ctrl A to select everything, and you can see where I press to centralize it. Quickly select. Now move it up. If I go here, and also I will bring in a text that says AG Grills. So first of all, I will go, and this is the right top. I'll just click it. It's AG Grills. You can copy it. Ctrl C, copy. Then I will go in and write. Click on new layer. Click on text, T for text, and Ctrl V. AJ Grills. Let's go. Okay, look at it here. So the font I used was Brush King, and this was the color code. You can see it here. Okay.
From an idea to the glory, brands come alive when creativity collide. Photos, films, designs that inspire. If you can dream it, we can
Ctrl A to centralize it. This. The next thing I'll bring in
where creativity meets royalty.
I'll edit first. I'm not using it now. I'll bring in the right up. Bring in a shape. Click on new layer. Bring in a shape. Drag it. Then you go to, in your stroke, go to gradient, and what I did, let me say, go to, how to do it, let me say, go to your basic in your gradient, go to any of the basic you see, and everything here is white. You can also change it to white. Just put in the code. Then I will add another one. I'll make the location 50, and I'll make the color really white, or I'll make it transparent actually. Then opacity, just click on the up again, make location 50, and and the opacity, I'll reduce it to 0%. That's how you create this, and you can actually save it. Go to new, and yeah, you can. That's how I saved it. So click on OK. So that's how to get this, and I make it to minus 167. I will increase the stroke a little bit. Increase the stroke to 6. Then get it to 3. Control A and centralize it. To D, you select it. You take it up. I'm bringing my text.
When creativity collide, photos, films, designs that inspire. If you can dream it, we can create it.
And the fonts to break codage.
Where creativity meets royalty.
White.
Creating dreams, inspired
I don't want to be pure white, so I'll just move it up here.
Where creativity meets royalty.
Brooklyn. And we're good to go. I'll make it light, and I can give this all the dots. Give it this color, pick color from this. And this thing I'm bringing alright, this now available. Click on new layer, click on text, and Ctrl V.
Every dream
And give it I don't want to be pure white, so I'm moving color that is close to white.
Deserves to be seen.
Make it to the medium.
Wise one on the move, turning
And
visions
this
into truth.
Who's Arena
From
will
a
highlight
sketch
it.
to a
Give it this
story.
yellow. Why I did it because Who's Arena is like the main brand. So I don't want everything to be one color. I want them to be reading it, so we know that this is actually distinct here. I don't want it to be just like the same. If you get me, I'll just hold my shift. I want to move this down a little bit. And this now available. I'll also move it down a little bit. Now we just go and bring in the photo to new. Go to your shapes. Click on ellipse to hold your shift and make a circle. And add a. Oh, let me give it this and add a. Let me see, the stroke will be 15 is okay. So then I'll bring in the Indomie. I was like my food. Bring in the food, the Indomie, and hold your alt and click it. You see it. When you're done, go to my raw filter and sharpen it so it will look as if you want to shop it. So you go to camera raw filter and go to texture, increase the haze, the texture clarity, click on OK. Wait for it to move. When it's done, group it, hold your control, then click on the ellipse, then Ctrl G to group the two of them together. You have something like this, and hold your Alt and drag, and you drag again until you are 4. Then you can scale it down. That was how I actually achieved this food. Yeah, that was like doing it for all of them. I'll just change the food, change the picture, change the food. So I will delete. I want to go and delete the full layer, so I'll just delete them after the other, and I'll bring in when I already exported it. So I'll just bring it in. I'll just bringing it in. Oh my god!
Wise won't
I'll
on the
bring it in.
moon,
So yeah,
turning
let's
visions into truth. From a
and
sketch to a story, from an idea to the glory.
now bring in your shape.
Plans come alive when
I'll actually
creativity
adjust all this in.
collides.
Adjust it
Photos
just later.
fill
For now, let's focus on it now.
designs that
To
inspire. If you
make
can
this white,
dream it,
like I said, not
we
pure
can
white, and
create
take it
it.
below the model. Yeah, something like this.
Creating
Take it down.
studio,
Also, this I'll bring it down
where creativity meets royalty.
and go to this. Go to shape and go to new layer. Go to your shape and add a new
Creating
shape.
dreams,
Add a new what? Shape.
inspired
Add a
character.
new shape. Then this, make it transparent. Click on this, make it yellow, and increase the radius. Increase
Where
it.
creativity
Add the
meets
radius to it and
royalty.
take it below the food. To take it below the food. And I need to
Creating
change.
dreams,
Let me look. And let me look at the food. Where the food is. See. Let me take it off. Okay. Yeah, these are the ones. And now with this, I move it sideways a little bit, and that's okay. Then this I actually brought the details, so I'll just take it up, pick it up. Haha. What is happening? Oh, I was now wondering what's happening because I know I have already copied it out. I'll just move it here, fill it Ctrl T, increase the size, and we are almost done with the design. And this part I will. Oh, because of the way I exported it, so this black is showing. So what you do, just in case you want to do something like this, control zoom it out first, then click on your ellipse tool.
every
Just
dream
want to remove this rectangle.
starts
Actually,
with
because of the way I
one
actually exported it,
idea.
so just mask it out and mask
Every
it. Then
vision
Control I, I'll invert it. Yeah. So you can see
deserves
that's how I got this. So I will scale it down. I reduce the size. Then last and
wise
along.
on
Oh my god, man!
turning visions into
Last and along the list.
from a sketch to a
Not even last and along the
story,
list. I still have some
from an
stuff to bring
idea
in.
to
I'll
the
bring in this.
glory.
This fire
Plans
actually
come
gives
alive
it.
when
Oh, you
creativity
guys should buy it for me,
collides.
please. Actually, no
Photos
cost.
fill
You guys can donate 3,000 naira
designs
each.
that
I'll be able to get
inspire.
it. So change the blending
If
option
you
to
can
screen.
dream it, we
So boom,
can
that was
create
boom, that
it.
was catchy. Can see the way the lens, the fire, oh, the lens camera. Can see the way the fire actually changes everything. So just brush, Ctrl Z,
Where
increase my
creativity meets royalty.
brush stroke and brush the edge of this fire
Creating
is
dreams,
actually what I want. So
inspired
time for me to do a little arrangement. So this AGG, you take it up a little bit. Up this now available. We also come up Control A. Let me centralize it. E. Then this shawarma drill stuff. We also come up. What I do some if you hold your shift and control and click on both of them, the rectangle, and you can move it. And now available, I'll also shift it up. Click on now available. Oh my god, you guys should buy me this. I'm actually hungry. Making me hungry. So now let's get the spice of this design. Let's spice up it and bring in bring in some elements that make the spice up. Control C, rotate it a little bit. You so just blow it. Photo filter, blow and motion blow. Oh my god. Yeah, something like this is okay. Then You guys know the drill. I'll just keep on duplicate it. Control J. This is actually the law of repetition in design. I will use the law of repetition in the mouse. Oh my hand! I'm complaining, guys. Alright, so we and rotate it. Just find somewhere and put it. And just find somewhere that will put it that will make it look good. But look at this right there, but actually I've not added it, so I will add it. Bring in this. Yeah. Also bring in the onions. Bring in the onions. Bring in the onions. Slice onions. And also motion blur. Just hold your alt. Hold your left click on your keyboard and drag. Copy. You to copy the motion blur, but let me scale it down. Control T, then scale it down.
Creating dreams, inspired greatness.
Scale it down. You can see the motion blur is there. Let's add the green leaf. This is the green leaf. Also add the motion blur effect with my alt and drag. Put your alt and drag this effect, and drag it up. Motion blur is right. Now what I've done, we increase the motion blur. Double click on it. Double click on this here. So just leave it first. We have another thing to do. So we mask it out and brush out this part.
Every dream starts with one idea.
Just play with it and make sure it does not cover some
Every vision
unnecessary part control.
deserves to be seen.
Okay.
On the moon,
Just
turning visions into
do mask. Part it
from a
out.
sketch to a story, from an idea to the glory.
Mask.
Brands come alive when
I also
creativity
edit.
collides. Photos,
G.
films, designs that inspire. If you can dream it, we can create it.
Actually drag the part of
Creating studio, where creativity meets royalty. Creating studio, creating dreams, inspired greatness.
and I also mask it. There are some part I don't want to do. Really mask it. I'm just brushing my brush to brush it out.
Where creativity meets royalty.
Brush that out. So, the text I used there was play fair display, especially the font I used there, and the font I used to write. The mouse is giving me issues, so I don't want to rush and do this. So the font I use in this perfectly drill is called Play Fair Display. That was the font I used. That was all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you have learned something, and please do well to subscribe, like, and also remember to subscribe again. And thank you for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.